Hello and welcome back to Car Lube and another how-to video. There's many how-to videos on my channel, so feel free to browse and subscribe. Links are on the screen. In this video we are joined by my buddy James, who you might have seen in past episodes creating sweet music in his car. Today we will be removing the bonnet vents on my BMW M3. The reason for removing the bonnet vents is because, as you can see, previously being wrapped in black vinyl, they have degraded due to excess heat from the engine and look fairly unsightly. The plan is to spray them gloss black. The black vents are actually offered by BMW as an option called their extended vent pack. Unfortunately, my car wasn't spec'd with that option from new. I think, as well as many others do, they look quite good in black, adding to that aggressive feel of the front end. So to do this job effectively, we will need some masking tape and some plastic trim removal tools. We start by surrounding the vent with masking tape. This acts as a way of protecting the paint from the removal tool when we start prying up the vent. As we can see here, James is doing a fabulous job. Taking the plastic tool, the aim here is to unclip all the retaining clips carefully by pushing them off their seating. As you can see here, there are a number of clips surrounding the vent that need to be dislodged. Ignore the tucked under vinyl, that's coming off. So as you can see here, we're just going around the exterior of the vent. The worst part of this is the cracking sound it makes when you dislodge a clip. You have to be firm, but careful. Once all the clips have been broken, the vent will start to lift and it comes free. And there we go. You might notice that the plastic grille remains fixed to the bonnet. If you need to remove this, it's a quick easy motion sliding it in the direction of the windscreen. I hope this guide gives you the confidence to go ahead and remove the vents on your car, and if it helped, please give this video a like and consider subscribing. Of course, the plan was always to go ahead and do some painting, so here we are. Firstly, I keyed up the paint, sprayed on some plastic grey primer, applied some gloss black, finished off with some lacquer. Then I refitted the vents to the car, which just involved pushing the clips back into place. I must say, I was very happy with the results. I will see you on the next video. In this episode, we are readdressing headlights hemorrhaging condensation. We have a very moist electrical ballast.
That ballast is absolutely sodden.
And we'll offer a couple of smart fix solutions for when the hairdryer technique isn't good enough, because your lights are fried.